Hello, everybody. If you are watching this and you are in advanced philosophy, hello. I went ahead and picked this picture just because I like it. So in course 1, preliminary philosophy, we talk a lot about the negative and positive poles, and I wanted to pause really quick before we go into that and talk about that. So if you remember Pluto and fashion, we talked about the polarity within ourselves, the different energies in operation, and how negative energies, the female energy in science, and positive is male energy in science, and it has nothing to do with having a positive or negative attitude. Not the same thing. It's the same words in English, but as far as science, which is what we are here, we're spiritual scientists, it is not the same thing. So a positive action would be any time you are using your energy to move matter, whether it's invisible or not invisible. What does that mean? Mind texting. Mind texting would be a positive action because you are sending that thought. If you are receiving a mind text, that would be a negative energy, because you are receiving it. You see what I mean? So when Heindel, in our advanced philosophy, he goes through the different realms, because there are 7 different realms and 4 of them are invisible. He goes through them and talks about, in lesson 1, we talk about the function of the forces of both these poles and the energies behind them, because we can only have 2 operations. We either have receiving energy or giving energy here on earth. But in the invisible realm, it's like, well, why do those things exist and what are they doing to help us? And that's what Heindel answers. So dive into your questions, and every time you hear negative and you think negative thoughts, just take that out of your brain, because that's not what he's talking about. And enjoy philosophy, because it's fun to grow our brains.